Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know that we are solving past paper of Genius Cerebrum Mathematics Olympiad Level 2, which is being taken by the students of grade 3rd, 4th and 5th. So in each lecture, I'm discussing 5 questions. Actually, there are 60 questions in one paper, right? But I'm just making short videos. I'm just discussing 5 questions in each video. So I have already discussed 30 questions in previously made 6 videos. I will give you the link. You can go there and you can watch their solutions. Here I'm going to discuss from question number 31. So let us go to question number 31 because these we have already discussed. Yes. So there you have a cube and it is asking that how many, see, everybody knows that cube has 6 faces. This everybody knows. So this can't be my answer. Answer is either this or either A or either C, either A or C, right? Try to understand. Now, how many edges are there? Edges means these lines they are talking about. So there are 12 such kind of edges and vertices are these points, a kind of corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 at top, 4 at bottom. We just have 8 vertices. So therefore, this is my correct answer. So now try to understand. How many legs do the given ants have? So first of all, see how many legs are there with an ant, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 legs which is having in one ant. And how many ants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. There are 14 ants, and in each ant, there is 6 legs. So we just have to multiply 6 times 14. That will give me 84. So that would be my answer. This is quite easy. Question number 33. It is saying that there is a train and train is traveling 92 kilometer in 1 hour. And question is asking that how much distance shall it will cover, means how much distance it will cover in 1 day. So in 1 hour it is traveling 92 kilometers, and in 1 day how many hours are there? 24 hours. You are correct. So if 1 hour, in 1 hour, if it is traveling 92 kilometer, then how many kilometer it will travel in 24 hour? You again just have to multiply, right? So I have to multiply 92 and 24 like this. If you will go, see, I'm multiplying by Vedic math technique. You can use your traditional method, whatever you are using, right? So 4 to the 8 would be there. So one more we should find, right? We should find like this and this, like that we multiply again. So again we have 4 and again we have 9 4s are 36, 36 and 4 0. So we got our answer. So this would be our answer, right? If you want to verify, you can verify. So yes, it is my answer. So like this we have to solve. We just have to multiply. So Kim ate 1/4 of a pizza. So 1/4 is 8 by Kim and 1/4 is 8 by Fran. Right. So 1/4 and 1/4, he'll add them. 1/4 and 1/4. It will be 2/4. If out of 4 slice of pizza, if people have 8 2 slices, how many are left? So 2 out of 4 are left. And 2 out of 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. I can simplify by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So therefore, that is half, nothing but half. It is very easy question. Again, it is asking which is less. First of all, find 1 by 4 of 12. That means 1 by 4 and we have to multiply 12 here. So that would be 4 times 3. That means the value of this whole thing would be 3. And 3 times 4 times 16. Right. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12. So now which is less? So it's very obvious that this is less it is asking. Now try to understand. Joe wants to buy a computer game costing $350. Oh, wait. Actually, we just have to solve the 5 questions, right? So I'm ending the video here. We are again going to discuss another 5 questions in other lectures.